Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Madani Qaida class. Today, inshallah, we learn lesson number 2, Huroof Murakkabat. Murakkabat means compound letters. Compound letters means two or more letters combined, joined together to form a murakkab. Murakkab means compound. Pronounce each of the Murakkab letters separately like Mufradat letters. For example, it is compound letter Ya and Alif. ठीक है, Ya is separate, this one, and Alif is separate. But here they are compound, joined. Okay, Ya Alif. Separately we have to read Ya Alif. Make sure in this lesson also to pronounce the letters in the established manner, i.e. with the Arabic accent, as you read first lesson. When two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shapes gets changed a little. Usually, the head of the letter is written and the body is omitted. Identify the letters which are same when in the compound form by the difference in the number and position of dots. Here you can see the shape of sheet has been changed here. In lesson number 1 you read this one, Shin. Here just head is written. Okay, so you know you have to identify it by head. Like this one, Sheen, and with three dots you can see here Sheen has a three dots, okay, upon it. That's why, so this is the sign to recognize it. Similarly you can see Ain, Ghain, Sod, and another letter you can see Ba. It was that. Okay, so by dots, by hand, you can recognize all letters. G, I, let's get started. First letter, Alif. Alif, repeat after me. Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif, Ba, Alif, Noon, Alif, Ta, Alif, Ya, Alif, Pa, Alif, Shin, Alif, Sin, Alif. I'm stretching some words equal to 5 alif, some equal to 1 alif. The duration of stretching, the duration of stretching will remain same as we read in lesson number 1. Fa, alif, whenever you spell out any word, whether you are reading Madani Qaida or Holy Quran, so you have to follow the quantity of stretching. Of, alif, Jeep, Alif, Kha, Alif, Ha, 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 bottom part of the thought. Ha, Alif, I, middle part of the thought. Ain. Alif. Top part of the throat. Ghain. Alif. Sad. Alif. ضاد. ألف. طاء. ألف. لا. ألف. ميم. ألف. ها. ألف. كاف. ألف. لام. باء. كاف. باء. كاف. تاء. كاف. فاء. كاف. فاء. طاء. باء. طاء is mustalil letter. You have to pronounce it thick. Sin. Lam. Sin from sphere letter. That's why you should read it with whistle sound. Sin. Shin. Lam. صاد. لام. ضاد. لام. فاء. لام. قاف. لام. Okay, so like that you have to read whole lesson. Okay, you have to practice this lesson. If you face any question, you can ask, then inshallah so that I will help you. We will quit this page. More easy, same method to read this one. Next one. Ba, lam, ba, ba, ha, mim, ba, ain, dal, ain, ba, dal, ha, mim, dal, ha, lam, kaf. Okay, dear. So, like that, we have to complete this lesson. So, it was our lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.